Accelerate your career today with MVCC's FastTrack. Take a class in 14 weeks or less at zero cost. Each FastTrack course is one semester focusing on a specific skill. Gain quick, hands-on experience in multiple industries and never pay a penny.
I currently work at the Center Utica, and I wanted to increase my skill set to find a more specialized role. The justice system has always interested me, and I learned that FastTrack has a paralegal certificate. It has been an amazing course, and I learned a lot about the industry.
Normally, Mohawk Valley Community College serves 25% adult students, and through the FastTrack initiative, we are serving 75% adult students. Programs such as FastTrack is different from a traditional college program because we're looking to get the students through training that leads to employment in 14 weeks or less.
I just want to say thank you, FastTrack, for giving me the opportunity to earn my paralegal certificate for free.
Learn more at mvcc.edu/fast.